players. There's no
Yeah.
doubt about it.
Yeah.
But I feel definitely from my heart that they should win the World Cup. But I don't see them anywhere coming close to the top three or something like that. With this kind
Oh.
of, with the background that we are going, okay. What is Hardik doing in the side? If he's not bowling, then get Shreyas Iyer in his side. As simple
So
as
I
that.
don't
But
understand. That makes no sense.
Ideally, अगर आप देखो तो ऋतुराज गायकवाड should feature in any playing world playing 11 right now.
Right now,
But
for
that is
sure.
हम इतना ये कर रहे हैं, but do we have a captain to use all this ammunition? See, you need a very shrewd captain to utilize ammunition like Shami, Bhuvaneshwar, Varun, and Ashwin.
What delivery! Oh, he's got it! What a catch! What a catch! What an unbelievable!
In any league, in any land in the world.
So yeah, guys, welcome back to the Sports Republic. And today we are analyzing the Indian squad before the start of this World Cup. Apart from the usual suspects, Vikas and Vignesh, today we have someone special. We have Pankaj sir with us. Pankaj sir, welcome to the show. Everybody, just a little hint on what Pankaj sir is. Pankaj sir is a very multifaceted personality. And I'm not joking about it. I really mean it. We've known Pankaj sir for the past 3 years now. Pankaj sir has been a commentator for All India Radio for cricket and football. Pankaj sir has also been a commentator for Pro Kabaddi on Star Sports. He's a professional RJ, a professional archer, and an educator on top of it as well. So Pankaj sir, it's great to have you on the show. Probably gonna be a good chat.
Absolutely. Thank you, Shashank, Vikas, and Vignesh. Thank you guys for inviting me, because, it just goes to show that I'm still not very old and I can still chat with my students on now a neutral platform. So thank you very much for making me feel a bit younger now.
Most welcome, sir. Most welcome. And I don't think we'll be able to see you in that light. Whenever you get old also, I don't think, because, some people have that, life about them ki aisa lagta hi nahi hai ki, you feel like they connect more with the younger generation than the generation of their age. But
probably you never know. Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll talk about the Indian squad, sir. So aapse hi start karte hain. We'll start with you only. Sir, the team that has gone, you've seen in the IPL, a lot of the regular people that have gone, including Ishan Kishan, the whole Mumbai batting lineup, you can say. Ishan Kishan, Rohit Sharma, Surya Kumar Yadav, Hardik Pandya, all struggling with the bat. और ऐसा भी नहीं है कि हम इंडिया में खेल रहे हैं, यूए में जाके मेरे भी वो चलेंगे क्योंकि पिछले साल चले थे यूए में. And we are not taking guys like Rituraj Gaikwad, maybe Dhawan, who are more informed players and probably deserve the spot even more. So I just want to ask the question: ki are we, taking fame over form to the World Cup? Are we doing this mistake again? Like पहले तो हमने एक 3D की mistake कर दी थी. इस बार हम fame over form की mistake कर रहे हैं क्या?
Guys, first of all, I'd like to ask basically what are those 7 guys out there, the extra guys doing there, who have been told that they are going to help the Indian team in preparation. I really cannot fathom what are they going to do there. So it all starts from that.
Yeah.
And yeah.
I was saying I get a net bowler. You can take net bowlers, but अभी अय्यर को क्यों लेके जा रहे हैं?
वेंकटेश अय्यर को क्यों लेके जा रहे हैं?
उसकी बॉलिंग से क्या प्रैक्टिस होने वाली है आपकी?
I don't know. I mean, see, it's basically either jargon, or they had some extra tickets, or they had some hotel bookings which they got free of cost as a bundle offer or something like that. And they asked, okay, are you going to, we'll give 50%, subsidy from the Indian cricket team. And do you want to get in? I actually feel like that, even I could have actually got on board. But what are they doing there? I mean, they're helping the preparation. What exactly are they doing? Are they massaging the players? Are they providing kit bags to the players? It is very interesting. The other problem that you're saying, एक सबसे बड़ा issue ये है कि we always say problem of plenty, it's good to have, problem of plenty. Now this problem of plenty is the major problem for India right now. What is happening is, in this entire problem of plenty, we are now forced to accommodate everyone whom we have sort of said that you are the greatest one, you are the next one, you are the XYZ one. And that is where we have completely lost the flavor and the balance of the side. Remember, a couple of years back, we had a very peculiar discussion on number 4 problem, number 5 problem. Now we have all numbers are problems, because you have taken a side and you don't know basically who's going to do what. and you have no what do you call plan of action of what is the job of which player. So and then you claim that okay, Virat Kohli can also open, KL Rahul can also open, Ishan Kishan can also open.
Yeah.
I simply can't understand. It's basically, and also not just the problem of plenty. I sincerely feel that Indian cricket is busy with a lot of off cricket things. They have so many things to take care of that what happens is like all of us are basically eating in a lovely restaurant and we're calling for more and more dishes, and then someone says that you got to go and do this thing. Acha, okay, Shashank, just go and do that thing. Then we'll come back and then we go to another restaurant and we go and eat. And then, Arey, Vignesh, you're supposed to do this. Oh, really? Okay, I'll just get that done. We are basically in that process, So I really, it's a we have some fantastic players. There's no
Yeah.
doubt about it.
Yeah.
But I feel definitely from my heart that they should win the World Cup. But I don't see them anywhere coming close to the top 3 or something like that. With this kind of, with the background that we are going, okay.
Sir,
First 5 minutes and we have it.
That's an explosion of thoughts in the first 5
Sorry to
minutes.
break a lot of hearts, but
Yeah. No, even I consider myself not a pessimist per se, but I'm definitely not an optimist. पर आपकी बात सुन के तो मेरे को भी लग रहा है कि I am a bit of an optimist. But I agree to what you're saying कि team से selection है. I mean, that is the first process of going into a tournament. That is the first process where you think कि अरे कि ऑपोजिशन में हमारे पास ग्रुप स्टेज में ये बॉलर्स है, कोई लेफ्ट आर्म फेस होगा, कोई हमको we'll probably have these many options to face, or to counter that who we need to pick. That is the other thing. Then you have to go with form. तो अभी again as you said कि अभी कोहली को ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते, अनड्रॉपेबल है, रोहित शर्मा अनड्रॉपेबल है, आई डोंट नो सूर्य कुमार को ड्रॉप नहीं कर सकते, हार्दिक पांड्या 1 साल से नहीं खेल रहा है बट अनड्रॉपेबल है, एंड दैट वाज माय पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आल्सो कि हार्दिक विल कम गुड समटाइम, he will come good sometime, he will come. But
by the way, what is Hardik doing in the side? If he's not bowling, then get Shreyas Iyer in his side. As simple as that.
I don't understand.
But,
that makes no sense at all. Plus, you're taking 6 specialist batsmen. उसमें ईशान किशन को आप बोलते हो कि ईशान किशन is your replacement opener. So there is no replacement middle order batsman only. मतलब
no, all are openers, na?
They
all
are
are
openers only. All openers. Everybody wants to play in the power play. Vignesh, क्या मतलब is it making sense? The team selection or
मेरी बातों से मैं आशा करता हूँ कि सारे फैंस जिन्होंने उम्मीद खोई है वो मतलब उम्मीद पाए।
चाहिए भाई, चाहिए दे थोड़ा सा।
The problem of plenty, मतलब quality problem of plenty. ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब just for the name's sake we have players over there. And the idea behind carrying so many extra players is मतलब you identify some kind of players, right? You identify Venkatesh Iyer might be probably the next big thing. You want to give him the flavor of an ICC tournament, a high-profile
Vignesh,
tournament.
identify where he's not going to play a game.
No,
Just-
he's not
just
going to
hit the
play.
nets.
A player like T Natarajan, Washington Sundar, Kartik Tyagi, जो सब ऑस्ट्रेलिया गए थे,
Yeah.
nobody expected them to feature in the game.
Yeah.
But उस सीरीज का इतना वो हिस्सा थे, come their moment, they seized it. So that is what I guess, giving these players, carrying them along. Harshal Patel is also there. He has already performed in a big match tournament. Agar if need be, they might come in, but they have that flavor. And in the sense कि हमारे पास 4 top order batsmen है, right? If Kohli,
What flavor is Krishnappa Gautam adding? I just want to know. Like
certain
flavor. You know something. Sorry to barge in, but I got a very interesting input from one of the younger fans now of late. He told me that Krishnappa Gautam is a world-class spinner, and I said, okay, fair enough. Yeah, but what Vignesh is saying is also right. That I mean, see, basically it's grooming of the youngsters in this entire big match thing. But then what happened to Padikkal? What happened to Washington Sundar? What happened? Suddenly you'll not believe when you told me that we are supposed to do this podcast. I suddenly went into a sudden flashback, and I remembered someone called as Manvinder Bisla who helped KKR win that particular title, and he doesn't even feature anywhere. No one is talking about him. So it's anyway. Yeah, Vignesh, go ahead.
Right. And in the sense कि आज Kohli made it clear कि it's difficult to look past Rahul after what happened in the IPL, and rightly so. So Rohit, Rahul are the designated openers. Kohli at one drop, and Kishan, might be matchups, or some odd time he even might come to open. We can't rule that out. Batting 15 लोगों को ही आप लेके जाओगे यार. मतलब ideally अगर आप देखो तो Ruturaj Gaikwad should feature in any world playing 11 right now.
Right now,
But
for
such is-
sure. Yeah.
But such is the quality. You can't drop Rohit, you can't drop Rahul, and Gaikwad fits at the top, right? Matlab, any team will want to get Gaikwad in, but such is the quality. We need to accept that. If we look back 2 years ago, जब हमारा number 4 का issue था, there was a glaring issue, right? We didn't have a number 4. Somehow we were trying to make that in, but with T20, you don't actually need a player position kind of a thing apart from the top 3. आपका 4, 5, 6, 7 जो हैं, they are basically floaters. Hardik is a floater on a good day. Rishabh Pant is a floater on a good day. Surya Kumar Yadav, मतलब given the team dynamics, might turn up as a floater. तो मुझे team composition से उतनी problem नहीं है. The only glitch that I had was going in with 5 spinners. But Shardul Thakur coming in as
Balance that for you.
balance कर दिया है.
Yeah.
In terms of the player that he has replaced, that is questionable. I would have rather replaced Ashwin at this point of time, but Ashwin, knowing that old wild dog that he is, shayad they are counting on his experience as well. So team ke hisab se, I don't have much, as Dravid said, right? It's not about the 11 you pick, but it's about the 11 who execute things on the field. It all boils down to that. I think.
All good things said and done. Crazy team, best team in the world, with 0 titles.
On paper, for sure.
What, since when? When did we win the Champions Trophy? 2013.
On paper, for sure.
Yeah,
Every tournament on paper, for sure.
Because जैसे सर ने थोड़ा सा एग्जीक्यूट किया इंडियन टीम को, विघ्नेश थोड़ा सा वापस रिजरेक्ट करने की कोशिश कर रहा है. मतलब हमने स्पिनर्स की बात की, मैं भी एक्सेसिव स्पिनर्स लेके गए हैं. 5 spinners was a big call and they took that, and अभी eventually they replaced Akshar with Shardul Thakur. Bowling wise, just for the fast bowler wise to दिखेगा अगर, so I am saying that Avesh Khan and Harshal Patel ended up being the highest wicket takers in the IPL, right? Followed by a lot of such bowlers who are fast bowlers. We never saw anybody like Rashid Khan or Rahul Chahar or Yuzvendra Chahal enter the conversation also purple cap का. तो 3 बॉलर ले जाना बहुत है पूरे टूर्नामेंट के लिए, जो आईपीएल ऑन द बैक ऑफ आईपीएल, बुमराह भी खेल रहा है, शमी भी खेल रहा है, everybody is playing, and everybody, Shami and Bhuvneshwar are 30 plus, right? So do you think that there is a little bit of a hole that you can see over key?
That's definitely a hole, and also हमने भुवनेश्वर कुमार को टीम में रखा है बेसिकली, और भुवनेश्वर कुमार को कंटिन्यू परफॉर्म करते हुए शायद मुझे नहीं लगता हमने याद किया है पिछले कुछ सालों में. एंड अगेन, लाइक वी टॉक्ड अबाउट फॉर्म ओवर फेम ओवर फॉर्म, आई थिंक दिस इज अ क्लासिक केस. हम आवेश खान को ले जा सकते थे, क्योंकि हमारे पास 15 तारीख तक का अगर टाइम था, हम आवेश खान को ले जा सकते थे. इफ नॉट आवेश खान, वी कुड हैव डेफिनेटली गेट हर्षल पटेल, जो अगर हम सीजन समझ सकते हैं यार, कि अगर 1 महीने में अगर हर्षल पटेल ने लाइक वी ऑल टॉक्ड अबाउट कि हर्षल पटेल यार अच्छा विकेट मिल रहा है, बट 1 महीने के बाद यूएई में वापस आता है, फिर भी ही इज टेकिंग विकेट्स एंड ही इज बॉलिंग इवन बेटर. वी टॉक्ड अबाउट आवेश खान एज वेल, वी टॉक्ड अबाउट मोहम्मद शमी. आज चलो खैर उसने 4 विकेट लिए है, बट डू वी रियली सी हिम? हमने क्रंच मोमेंट पे देखा है किंग्स इलेवन पंजाब के लिए भी, ही फेल्ड टू डिलीवर. वी कुड हैव गॉट other bowlers as well. That's what I think, along with Bumrah, and also added a pacer. शार्दुल ठाकुर की वजह से एक्चुअली अगर वो मूव नहीं करते, अक्षर पटेल को निकाल के शार्दुल ठाकुर को नहीं लेते, तो बहुत ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट होता है इंडिया.
I think मेरे को लग रहा है, and sir, पंकज सर correct me if I'm wrong, मेरे को लग रहा है this is they are ending the T20 careers of these players by selecting them in this tournament. कि रोहित का हो गया है, शामी का हो गया है, भुवनेश्वर का हो गया है T20 career. Now these are your final, probably your last dance. Perform the best last dance, and go, and because that's why I think he looks selected है, definitely not on form. Even Hardik also, जैसे आपने बोला bowling नहीं करा रहा है.
शमी से अच्छा बॉलर आज तुम्हारे पास कोई है क्या? भले T20 format हो, test match हो,
Yeah.
you don't have, by the way, for me, there is no comparison between IPL and World Cup. IPL is a local tournament. Correct me, and that is my personal opinion. You may feel
Yeah.
differently. I don't have a problem at all. But World Cup is a completely different scenario altogether. And yes, what Vikas said is Bhuvaneshwar with his fitness. But then he actually stepped down from test matches so that he can
Yeah.
bowl in bursts and help us in T20. He's a fine bowler. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या है पता है, हम इतना ये कर रहे हैं, but do we have a captain to use all this ammunition? See, you need a very shrewd captain to utilize ammunition like Shami, Bhuvaneshwar, Varun, and Ashwin. The
Yeah.
problem is what we have all subconsciously decided, that there is no role of bowlers in T20. Every Tom, Dick, and Harry number 1 to number 11 is going to come and just beat around and hit it out and destruct and entertain, and so we might as well have a bowling machine, So
Yeah.
the problem is we are not thinking from the bowling perspective, and that is where the other teams are doing, especially the English side. Look at the bowling attack, absolutely phenomenal. Look at New Zealand. In fact, their bowling attack. So what they're doing is they have come into this particular World Cup with a lot of work on their bowling department. Whereas what we are doing is number 1 नहीं हो गया, वो दूसरा मारेगा, दूसरा नहीं गया, तीसरा मारेगा, चौथा मारेगा, पांचवा मारेगा. And that is what we saw. Why did we lose that bilateral series against sort of a depleted Sri Lankan side? Because of the fact that, there, in fact, I was doing the commentary and I could not understand that their wicket falls in the first over. The next guy comes and does the same thing. A wicket
Yeah.
falls in the next over. The third guy also comes
Yeah,
and
yeah,
does the
sure,
same thing.
sure. Yeah.
So, so we need to clearly bifurcate between IPL and T20. This is a very different ball game altogether,
Yeah.
and that is the reason why we need good ammunition.
But I think, sir, I actually don't completely concur to that point. मैं सोचता हूँ,
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
I do think that IPL is a good enough stage कि आप, I think if you perform well in the IPL, you're bound to perform well in the international circuit, but not the opposite way around. We've seen Livingston kill against everybody, but come to the IPL struggles. Butler again comes to the IPL struggles.
But the point is, Livingston has been basically hired by the England side. He needs to deliver for them. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter if he delivers for a franchisee or not.
Yeah,
A Steve
yeah.
Smith, who has been
Yeah.
so much underplayed by the Delhi Capitals, it doesn't matter for him. He's
Yeah.
getting his money. Everyone is happy.
So, but
So he will
underplayed because he did not.
Failure.
I watch Delhi Capitals. I follow Delhi Capitals. So, मेरे को ये लगता है कि Steve Smith was given opportunities last year also, this year also, did not do enough to cement his place, and other players. I mean, you cannot look past Shaw and Gabbar there. So, I mean, I don't think number 1 पे Iyer को replace नहीं कर सकता. Just two similar players. I don't know. I haven't seen enough from him. तो मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि I don't know. I don't know. Vignesh, can you come and defend the IPL a bit?
No. IPL has produced test stars here, leave alone ODI stars or T20 stars. IPL as a platform, for all its worth, it's easy for us to, matlab, in the initial years of IPL, even though we kept watching it, but it was easy for us to crib about the money that BCCI is making. But in the due course of everything, we have seen the kind of stadium, the kind of players that we produce, and we produce ready international materials, and it can't happen because of Ranji system only or the India A tour only. You have got to handle pressure, क्योंकि इंडिया ए के टूर्स शायद उतने ना होते थे पहले, बट होते जरूर थे. रणजी ट्रॉफी तो सदियों से चलती आ रही है, but people were fish out of water when they came to international cricket. So credit where it's due. And in terms of bowling being, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि all the crucial matches in the ICC knockout that we have lost was not because of our bowling, but because of our batting, and due to our excessive importance and excessive baggage that our top order carried. And freeze हो गए थे, मतलब जो भी आप कह लो, not for a want of a better word.
But Vignesh,
just let me complete. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कि इंग्लैंड और वेस्ट इंडीज शायद predominantly the white ball revolution जो इन्होंने लाया है, 2016 World Cup में you won't remember a standout West Indies bowler who won them the World Cup. It was the Brathwaites, it was the Samuels, it was everyone.
But as Pankaj sir said, as Pankaj sir also pointed out, you have the smarts to use those bowlers also. And I have been a long advocate of, not being the biggest fan of Kohli's captaincy in the white ball game, because I don't think he has the technical nous or the street smarts to, as someone like a Dhoni had. Matlab ki, where someone is already under pressure, Dhoni would choke him. And you know, I mean, that sort of thing, or some sort of an innovative approach where याद है पोलार्ड के लिए एक बिल्कुल straight boundary पे खड़ा किया था धोनी ने fielder and they won that. I mean, I have never seen anything like this from Virat Kohli. It's just very from the book like captaincy, you know. And I also think actually this is a good way going forward. Virat Kohli's last World Cup also. His partner in crime
As a captain.
As a captain.
Sorry. My bad. Don't kill me, guys. Okay. So his